Hey, what's up, guys? It's Christmas. I did 2 boxes today. First box I did was 2008-2009 Black Diamond Hockey. And then the next box was an 09-10 Ultimate. I also did get a 09-10 Series 2 Blaster box for free from DA. Both these boxes were sick, guys. I recommend watching this whole video because it is just nasty. Alright, so let's start off with the lower end stuff. All for trade right now is a Tyler Eckford Young Gun, an Andy McDonald Single Diamond Ruby, numbered out of 100. There it is. Sean Horkoff Double Diamond. Evgeny Nabokov Double Diamond. Shane Doan Double. Nick Backstrom Wild Double. Mike Richards Double. Ellis Hemsky Double. Pavel Datsyuk Triple. Eric Stahl Triple. Martin St. Louis Triple. Oscar Moeller Triple. Premier Cuts Patrick Eliash. Fabian Bernstrom Quad Rookie Gems. Tyler Bozak Young Gun. And then a Justin Abdelkader Triple. Alright. Now here's a mix of the sick hits that I got out of my 2 boxes today. They are sick. First is a Jerome McGinley Ultimate Base for trade. A Cam Ward Black Jerseys for trade. The Ward has a puck mark right there, so that's for trade. That's pretty cool. A Juicy Timonen Gemography for trade. Artem Anisimov, numbered out of 299 for trade. A Premier Cuts of Peter Mueller. I think this one books 30. Either this one books 30 or the other Premier Cuts that I got books 30. That is also for trade. Yari Curry, my second one that I have for trade. And then a nice Rookie Gems, first pack I opened, triple Rookie Gems Steve Mason for trade. And hit of the black, no, actually not hit of the Black Diamond box. But look at this sick Alexander Ovechkin jersey. 3 colors, blue, white, and dual blacks. So that's sick. Nice PC player. And then I got some 2, the rest are all Penguins. They're just sick. Just look at them. Just watch, please. Sidney Crosby, Quad Diamond from Black Diamond. Too bad it's not a Ruby, but this book's at $40. As what my Beckett says. And then this nasty Premier Cuts Quad shaped like a 4, Sidney Crosby, books 120, is what mine says. Tell me if it goes up or down, if any of these cards have gone up. And then this dirty 1 of 1 from Ultimate Signature Logos, Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury, Logo Shield. This thing is sick. There you have it, your 1 of 1. And then your Logo Shield autograph. That is just amazing, guys. First Logo Shield I've pulled. This is not for trade, and neither are the Ovi and the 2 Sidney Crosbys. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Yeah, alright, see you guys.